Have you ever wished you could answer your door from anywhere? The Ring Battery Doorbell Camera is your solution. It's incredibly easy to install. The package includes everything you need. Mounting bracket and tools are provided. Attach it to your door frame in minutes. Just charge the battery and pop it in. I had mine up and running in 20 minutes. The video quality is stunning. 1080p HD resolution gives crystal clear images. Wide field of view captures everything. Night vision is impressive, even in low light. But the best part? Two-way audio lets you talk to visitors through the app. Answer your door from work, vacation, or bed. Never miss a delivery or visitor again. Upgrade your home security today with Ring. Like what you see? Subscribe for more smart home tips.